Hello, leaders. The finest ship is nothing without a motivated crew, right? And even the best school leaders cannot win with an unprepared team. Welcome to Lead with Juliet E. where I help school leaders lead boldly, grow sustainably, and make a lasting impact. And this is step 3 of our Ready to Lead, the 4-part blueprint for a successful school year. By now, I believe you have cast your vision and built a smart, data-driven plan, right? But let's say this as it is. No plan, no matter how brilliant, can succeed if your people don't feel ready and empowered to execute it. That's the truth. According to Gallup's 2023 State of the Global Workplace Report, just 23% of employees worldwide feel engaged at work. And in education specifically, teachers' burnout and disengagement are at records high. And on the flip side, schools where leaders invested in staff empowerment and professional growth saw up to 41% improvement in teacher retention and 22% better student outcomes. Why? Because people don't just work harder when you demand it. They work smarter and more passionately when they feel equipped and trusted. And that's why I want to give you 3 ways that will help you equip and empower your team better. Number 1, redefine professional development. Don't just tick boxes with generic workshops. You need to tailor your professional development days to your year's priorities, those key priorities you have set for the academic year. Then involve your teachers in shaping the agenda. Make it practical, interactive, and relevant. And that's where EduIcons comes in with a touch of excellence. Our trainings and workshops are uniquely tailored to meet your pain point with structured 4-week post-training follow-up for effective implementation. Number 2, show trust in tangible ways. Trust isn't a speech, it's an action. So you need to delegate meaningful responsibilities. Ask for their input on decisions that affect them. Then recognize their initiative and innovation publicly. Let others see it. It will encourage them. Number 3, build a culture of ownership. From day 1, communicate, this is our school and we win or lose together. Celebrate small wins. Address setbacks without blame. Ownership, my friends, grows when people feel they matter and they belong. As leaders, your job isn't just to set the destination, it's to equip your crew with the skills, the confidence, and the belief to get there. And our team will be happy to partner with you on that. Because leadership isn't about having all the answers, it's about unlocking the answers already in your people. And for that, I've put together a team empowerment action guide with conversation prompts and ideas you can use right away. Just comment below or send me a DM and I will send it to you. Next and final on this series, lead yourself to lead others. Thanks for joining me today on Lead with Juliet Igwe. I trust you're ready to lead your school to excellence next academic year. So, I charge you to lead bold, lead well, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed.